it's Jennifer from Sea Lemon. I am so excited to finally share my book with you guys. Ever since I started making monthly doodle challenges and sharing them with you guys, I have been wanting to make a nice book with quality paper that included every month of the year, a 1 year doodle challenge. This video is to give you a look on the inside of the book and show you what it's all about and give you the link where you can find this book for sale. And it is now up for sale in my Etsy shop. You can go to etsy.com/shop/sealemon, find it there, and I will also put that link in the video description below. I wanted to make this book available to everyone, so in order to do that in the most simple way was for me to sell it myself on my Etsy shop. So this book will be shipping directly from me to you if you purchase it. And since I printed these on my own, they are in limited quantities. So if you really want one of these, I suggest go checking out that link, especially if you want this before Christmas time. Honestly, I don't know how fast these are going to sell. They're limited quantities, so just keep that in mind. In case anything changes on where you can buy this book or anything regarding this book, I will be sure to put any updates in the description below, so be sure to check that out. And if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my updates and my new videos. We are almost to 1 million C-subs. I can't believe it. Join the Lemon Party, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any. I've been working on this book all year and I've shared my process with you guys on my studio vlogs and Patreon, and I put a lot of love into this book, and I really wanted to make it for you guys and anybody that just loves doodling. Much like my past doodle challenges, there is no year assigned, so you can start this whenever you want, and the months include all new different prompts. And just so you know, I will still be doing my free doodle challenges on this channel in case you want a challenge. If you're a hardcore doodler and you want a fun book to doodle in, this is for you. So let's dive in and check it out. It's a 9x9-inch square book printed in one color only, so you get to customize the colors and make it your own. The covers include at least one prompt from each month, so the design is kind of like a trippy mix of doodles. So the book is flip over style, and the first page is dedicated to my patrons. This was a tier on my Patreon, and these people got their name printed in the book for being early supporters, which helped me a lot with the printing cost. They were like supportive clouds making a rainbow in this whole process, which you can color in. And then the next page is a little intro to get you ready for the next step. Let's doodle this. And just about any blank space in this book is an area that you can color in. These next few pages are scribble test pages. When I'm doodling, I often find myself testing my pens on a scratch piece of paper. So in this case, you don't have to do that. The test pages are in the book for you, so wherever you are in the process of doodling or whatever month you're on, you can always flip to them and test your pens before you doodle. Also, I prefer to doodle on thick paper, so this book includes some quality paper for you guys that will hold up to your pens and markers. All paper in the book is an uncoated 100% recycled white, and it's an 80-pound cover. Paper choice was a big deal for me in making this, so I hope you guys like the quality of it. And the page order is set up so that the flipped over page will always protect your doodle page when the book is closed, so your doodles will never be facing down on the tabletop, and they won't be facing another doodle page in case any ink rubs off. There are 365 unique prompts throughout this whole book, so you'll never get bored of what to doodle. Some of you may ask why I put the binding on the top, and the reason is so that the coil will be out of the way of your hand. So whether you're a righty or a lefty, this book is going to be comfortable to doodle in every day. The coil binding also allows the book to lay flat, making it easy to draw in. And when you're ready to share your doodles with the world, the square shape of the book makes it convenient for social pics. I love seeing all your doodles shared with #SeaLemon, and I'm excited to see your books, so be sure to tag me in your posts and I will be hearting as many as I can. And just in case you want to display your doodles as art, here's a quick hanging hack. You can easily add a rubber band, a hair tie, or a twisty tie to the top. Loop it through the center coil and then it's ready to hang on your wall as art or motivation to finish the challenge. You can also make a hanger from this piece from a large binder clip. and you can easily remove these and add them back on when you're ready to flip the page. I am so excited for you guys to try this, and I can't wait to see pictures of your doodles and how you color the books and how you make it your own. And I am also starting this challenge, so I will be sharing my pictures of the book as well. Again, the link to purchase this book will be in the description below. If they do sell and you guys want more, I will look into getting more printed. And if you want to help toward printing costs and future runs of this book and future videos on this channel, consider becoming a patron on my Patreon. In case I missed anything, let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and be sure to check the description for any updates. And I hope you guys are excited for this. I am excited for this. And thank you for your support. If you want to jump into more doodle type videos, I will put a playlist right here. And don't forget to subscribe. My Patreon will be around here. And all of these links will be in the description below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!